bring you a 3-minute digest of what happened in China's business sector. This is China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Lee. Let's start with our top stories. The National Carbon Emissions Trading Platform will hold a launch ceremony in Beijing, Shanghai and Wuhan on Friday morning, and then the first batch of transactions will begin. Foreign direct investment into Chinese mainland in actual use surged 28.7% year-on-year to 607.84 billion yuan or $90.96 billion in the first half of this year, the Ministry of Commerce said Wednesday. Yulin in Shanxi province is shutting down all off-campus tutoring schools teaching subjects in the compulsory education stage, according to the Education Bureau of Yulin. Update on COVID-19. Ruili in Yunnan province reported one new local case yesterday, and China has administered over 1.4 billion doses of COVID-19 vaccines as of Monday. CPC leads a century's progress. China is now able to feed 20% of the world's population with only 9% of the world's arable land. But it's not been an easy journey. Agriculture production was extremely cut down before 1949 due to years of war and natural disasters. In 1951, land reforms led to a great increase in China's grain output over the next 3 decades, and since 1979, China has intensified agricultural reforms. The grain output in 2020 was nearly 6 times more compared in 1949, and the per capita output in 2021 is also far more than the UN food safety standard. Rural residents have seen their annual per capita disposable income increased more than 40 times over the past 7 decades. In 2021, China declared a complete victory in its poverty alleviation campaign. Switching gears to industry and company news, China aims to nurture 560 million 5G mobile subscribers by the end of 2023 and grow the penetration rate of the fast wireless technology among big industrial enterprises to 35% by then, a 3-year plan jointly revealed by 10 government bodies disclosed on Tuesday. China's centrally administered state-owned enterprises, or SOEs, saw steady growth in profits in the first half of 2021, gaining 17.1 trillion yuan in combined revenues and a record high 1.02 trillion yuan in combined net profit, according to the State-Owned Assets Supervision and Administration Commission of the State Council. The Chinese logistic giant SF Holdings estimated the net profit attributable to shareholders in the first half of 2021 will be between 640 million and 830 million yuan, about 80% drop year-on-year. After the loss of 989 million yuan in the first quarter, the company expects to achieve a gain of 1.63 to 1.82 billion yuan in the second quarter. The company's share price has nearly halved since 2021, with more than 270 billion yuan loss in market value. Next, on the financial sector, China's latest liquidity release of about 1 trillion yuan is a regular operation, as the monetary policies in the first half of the year have basically returned to pre-pandemic normal, the People's Bank of China said on Tuesday. An official of the central bank's monetary policy department stressed that the PBOC has not changed its stance on prudent monetary policy. And wrapping up with a quick look at the stock markets, Chinese stocks closed lower on Wednesday, with the benchmark Shanghai Composite Index dropped 1.07% to 3,528 points. The Shenzhen Component Index closed 0.88% lower at 15,056 points. Shares related to lithium battery plunged in the afternoon, with over 10 stocks in the sector fell more than 9% today. That's it for today. Tune in tomorrow on China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Goodbye.